Going into a shooting range or hunting with a gun in your back can be a little intimidating for other people. You'll want the best soft rifle cases to keep everything discreet. Also, these cases can be helpful in protecting. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 soft rifle cases on the market. We have made our research and this list reflects our opinion. We have listed products based on quality, durability, price, feature, consumer feedback, and more. Our goal is to create a proper shopping guide so that our viewers can make the best choice. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Savior Equipment Urban Warfare Double Carbine Long Rifle Bag. The Savior Equipment Urban Warfare is a double rifle soft case with lockable zippers and removable backpack straps. I like this more than the Savior single rifle case because it has a larger capacity to hold 4 firearms plus extra gun accessories in the mesh pockets. I love the sturdy construction of this soft tactical rifle case. Rather than being made of regular nylon, Urban Warfare is made of a 600D nylon fabric interior for extra strength. I'm most pleased with the interior foam padding and lockdown straps because they provide enough protection when transporting firearms. The firearms are nicely protected inside the bag as the removable interior divider enables the personal compartment of my long rifles. Whenever I need an extra mat, I can just remove the divider easily. The soft rifle bag lays flat when open, so it's also quite easy to remove the firearms. This tactical rifle soft case is very spacious. I can put 1 or 2 rifles in the main compartment and store more tactical gear in the exterior pockets. Everything can be secured thanks to the lockable zipper sliders for 2 firearm compartments. And best of all, the product comes with a lifetime warranty for endless customer support. However, I can't seem to fit my earmuffs in the side pocket without compressing them up. Number 2. Allen Company Daytona Soft Carrying Gun Case. Allen Company offers one of the most reliable gun cases out there with its Daytona model. This soft rifle bag features 4 exterior pockets and an ample main compartment that can fit scoped rifles with a maximum length of 46 inches. Daytona is a single rifle bag with a lot of padding to provide sufficient protection for the firearm. The outer Endura fabric is high quality and reminds me of a winter jacket. The 4 pockets are well plotted to be useful in carrying extra ammo and gear. I especially love the mesh pocket as it lets me see what's inside and access the items easily. I'm also a fan of the finger loop fixed to the zipper because it makes it easy to open and close the rifle bag. Even the brown and black combination color is nice. What I like best is the Velcro that holds the 2 halves of the handle together. It makes the rifle bag easy to carry, like a duffel bag. Whenever I want to free my hand, I can use the adjustable sling in the package. My only dislike is that there's only 1 zipper. I wish there were 2 so I don't have to zip all the way from one end to another just to close the gun case fully. Number 3. Hudson Rifle Bag Soft Double Rifle Gun Bag. The Hudson Rifle Bag can carry 2 long guns using the thick divider. It also features multiple pockets in different sizes for extra storage of gear and supplies, like ammo. The exterior is from water-resistant polyester, while the interior comes with a thick cushion of 0.70-inch padding. I love the Velcro straps that keep the rifles snug throughout the trip. The removable divider also serves as an additional mat when I need to lay my rifles on the ground, which is pretty convenient. I found 3 magazine pouches and a large secondary compartment for other essential accessories. I love the maul loops for attaching my favorite medical kit and other accessories. The zippers on the largest compartment seem sturdy, and I think they can be secured with a padlock for more security. This double rifle case also seems to be constructed with a comfortable carry handle. The handle is well padded, so using it doesn't strain my hands. I prefer to use the shoulder straps for a shorter walk because of the paddings in the right places. My only small gripe is that this soft case can't fit a rifle with a mounted scope. We recommend customers store the firearm and scope separately. Number 4. Condor Double Rifle Case. This double gun case from Condor is one of the top-rated padded rifle backpacks out there. I deem it ideal for long walks as it includes a sternum strap to help ease the burden from my shoulders. The best part is that the backpack straps are concealable for a neater look. The inner lining that divides the 2 guns is also appropriately thick for extra protection. Moreover, there's a wide spot for maul pouches at the back to carry more stuff. The design seems to be well thought. The front pockets can easily store 830 round PMAGs, and the secondary compartment can fit my 2 pistols and a few pieces of ammo. Meanwhile, The main compartment is perfect for 2 long guns up to 36 inches long. Everything seems to be well stitched for durability. Another great side note is that the zippers are lockable to protect the guns and accessories inside while driving in a gun-free zone. For the price, this double rifle case is a great value. However, the backpack compartment hurts a little at the back. I recommend buyers use a thick shirt when using this double rifle bag as a backpack. Number 5. Luxmox Double Long Soft Rifle Case. This Luxmox rifle case is one of the most durable bags I've used for my long guns and pistols. The appearance alone screams heavy duty and reliability with the buckles and thick exterior. The material is 900D PVC nylon, which holds up well to any weather conditions. I noticed no rips, fraying, or tears when I maximized the bag's total capacity. I can put 2 long rifles in the main compartment and 2 more pistols in the secondary compartment. The 3 front pouches fit my ammo and supplies quite well. They're built with strong Velcro and a locking drawstring to ensure that no items fall out while traveling. I like the extra loops on the shoulder straps and the maul webbing as they allow me to add more pouches. I love the carry handles, they're sturdy and comfortable to hold. The back straps are a big bonus if I'm going to an outdoor range. Additionally, the zippers work smoothly and the product supports a 30-day money-back guarantee plus a 180-day warranty. However, stitching is a different problem. I think that the stitching can fall apart easily when the bag is loaded more than its capacity. Please like, comment, share and subscribe and hit the bell notification. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one, and we hope you liked this video. If you want to know the product price, do check out the description box. Thanks for watching.